Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. I'm on board a Sea Ray 370 Sundancer Outboard. This boat's equipped with triple 300 horsepower Mercury engines, joystick piloting, roughly 100 hours of use. It's got sea deck throughout, gray sea deck. It's the coupe, so you got hard windows on either side, opening vents. Stepping into the cockpit, this area is air conditioned. Just a couple of your vents and your register. There's the joystick I was telling you about. Simrad electronic suite. That's going to give you joystick's going to give you autopilot, skyhook, single lever control, engine synchronizer. Very, very nice, easy to handle boat. Got fusion stereo system. It's got the Horizon gray hull sides. It's got the power sunshade on the aft deck. Got a grill, looks like it's never been used under here. This boat is also equipped with the optional Seakeeper. Loaded, there's your cockpit TV in there. Hard window, door to close off the bow area. Step down in the cabin, take a peek. Light it up a little bit. This converts into a berth, TV, hanging locker, nice light interior. It's got this set up as his bed. There's your side window, a couple filler cushions back there. Got vacuum flush head and a separate shower stall. It's a really nice feature on the 370. Appreciate you taking the time to look at this video. If you got any questions about this boat or any others, give us a call. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Best way to reach me is my cell, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks. Have a great day.